What's happening, people? Rock's Original here. Let me take you through the next 15 minutes of the making of this resin Star Wars table, the asteroid field fight scene. So yeah, sit back and enjoy.
I hope you know what you're doing.
I had this slab of spalted horse chestnut. It was over 6 foot long, which was perfect for this build. So all I've got to do is just cut it off and then throw it through the thicknesser. I think this fan of Star Wars table. This looks like asteroid anyway. Bloody cam film was on. Yeah, sprayed him up. These are the asteroids.
Offers us new galaxies to explore.
We're not actually going into an asteroid field.
It'd be crazy to follow us.
I really don't know. That one looks alright. The fake explosion and that. Come along. That one's not too bad. I've got to make like a thing around it with flames and that. There's a fighter jet. So these two are going to be doing war. With lasers coming like lasers from there. Nice and dry now here. So now I can start the lasers. It's going to go through this rock, through there, shooting him up obviously. And I'm going to make some little rocks like they're exploding. I'm going to try, do you know what I mean? Stuck the other wing there. These wings will mash up one side. But it might be, no look, I stuck that one there. So you can tell that's like a melted, blown up fighter jet, Imperial fighter. More debris and bashed up wing and stuff. It was supposed to be like smoke coming from it as it's like crashing. I just didn't get that right. I'm going to try something. When I pour the clear epoxy on it, I might just put a bit of colour in that area when it thickens up and then just make it a bit more cloudified if I can.
Sir, the possibility of success is approximately 3,720 to 1.
Never tell me the odds.
Right, so I just roughed up that Millennium Falcon, put some battle scars on it, that was in the film. Yeah, look, you know what I mean? It just changes, man, that's the thing.
I think we're in trouble.
So remember that, I put the smoke at the back of that as it's coming down like it's going to crash. So I managed to get that in. I've got the Falcon now, I ain't put the lasers in yet so I need to pour a little bit more epoxy. Shot a laser, it's going to go through that brick, took him out and then he crashes into there and then he's going to be letting off at him. He comes up from behind, obviously he's done the pair of these, look, he's done him and him at the same time. He's done, mate, that one boneyard, look at that, sunk to the nuts. That looks alright there, the way I got that, them rocks scattered, enough for that laser to go through. Problem is I've got to wait for it to dry now. Yeah. Get that a look. Well, I just poured some clear over that just to see if it was going to run. I did dry it, I force dried it with the blowtorch, just grazing it, just to speed it up. So it's not running, which is good, so now I know that I can pour. This is humongous, that over it. Yeah, that looks good to me. So the best time to pour epoxy is when it is at the B stage, and that is when it is tacky to the touch. That will ensure 100% proper contact and ensure a proper bond.
Screens this May, Family Empire.
Right, so it's time to demold this.
Just get this cover on it, and that's it. Cover it up with the tack cloths that I use.
Right, so what I've done, put the track saw on it. Just done this side, and I've done the other side, straightened it up so it's all level and square. So yeah, that's it. When it starts off straight, when you router it, you get that line on. And it's alright in furniture, like if you're doing maybe a shelf or something, or down the side of the arm of the chair or something. Not on these. So after, what you do, you just get the sander 180, you just get rid of that line, so it's nice and smooth round over. So that's why you do it. A lot of people do it. There's different profiles you can do. There's all different router bits with different profile edges and stuff like that. Do all sorts of routers. I love the router. Very good tool.
Some more on this side from the middle because the middle's already raised up.
Right, let's get the second pour on. Showing you too much. Right, so when you get to the last pour, when you're going to do the flood coat, just go over it again, sand it with a 240 or 320, and just get it all smoothed out. Don't go too much because you might go through the epoxy. Just get it like relatively flat. Wipe it and then sand it again. I've still got that little bit from that slit there, but that'll be gone on the next pour. As it goes, let me just get it. Now look at it now, that's just a little dot. But you need to get rid of that. Go along the whole lot. You don't want one bit level. You don't want one bit up and one bit down. But look at it, it's gone. Don't know why I was going to leave that, it's stupid. Just realised the foil on me, I have to sand that off. Right, that's that done. That's how you want to prep it. Wipe it down with alcohol, and then you're done. Hopefully, well, it should be the last pour. Well, it will be the last pour. had 4 coats. This would be the 4th coat now. So I'm going to start at 240 and work my way up through the grits to 3000 with a sander. Then we're going to use the 3M Fast Cut Extreme. And then after that we're going to use the Maguire's Ultimate Polish. And then we're going to polish it up with the Wall buffing pad. Starting at 240, work my way up through the grits. 324, 6, 8000, 2000 and 3000 grit. Right, so this 4th pass, that's that soft wet pad. And wet this and all, give it a few squirts. Time for the polishing. No, I've got to flip it over and get rid of the drip marks. Let's crack on. That. There's that little tiny bit there that it's not filled in, but I ain't gonna bother with that. That's character. I just drilled the holes for the inserts and put a little countersink on the end of it. Yeah, so when doing your inserts for spalted wood, just put a little bit of this in it before you screw the inserts in with the glue also. Do the glue after. So you put a bit of this in the holes, or one in a little bottle, and yeah, just give it 10 minutes and then go for the inserts. Strip it in there. And that's it, just repeat the process on all of them. So I'm going to use some of this contact adhesive. Just do like 4 at a time. There you go, bosh, bosh, boom, balla. So I'm going to flip this over. Sat there. Oh, that was slightly raised, hold on. That's it. Yep, now we're billa balla boom boom bosh, whatever I said, done. I hope it comes out alright. Put so much effort and work into this, took me ages to do. Yeah, let's get cracking. Oh no, let me sort the... That's it. Oh dear. Right, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
It's a trap! It's a trap!